Hey guys, Jake from Dip First here. We're doing a little bass fishing video. We're out here in the St. John River. I'm here with
Rooster County fishing.
Rooster County Fishing. We're doing some fishing. Haven't had any luck right now. A little after supper. Waiting for
It's about 5:30.
about 5:30. Waiting for the sun to go a little bit lower. Catch some bigger fish. Catch some 8 fish. But we'll keep you posted on the fish we catch and stuff like that. This is the view of the river. It's a nice river, nice St. John
River
River.
in the United States that flows north. Well, in Maine, as far as I know.
Yeah, like I said. So it's been a couple minutes since the last video. We're fishing this little thing here. There ain't nothing here. I just thought I'd throw my worm in there. Doing like a tungsten jig worm. And a red jig hook. Nothing much. Just trying to see what's going on. Right there. But like I said, we're fishing up here. Me and the rustic Maine fishing. We're fishing this river here. So keep watching. We might get something. If not, I'll post some interesting stuff on there. But we're probably just gonna move more down the river and see what's going on down there. Okay.